Hello, lovely YouTube family members, and welcome to another informative video about Seller. Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be focusing on how to add coupon codes to your product. When you say coupon codes, you'd have seen a whole lot of e-commerce site out there where once someone has a particular code while purchasing your product or purchasing whatever product, a particular discount of money will be deducted from the original price. So that's basically what the coupon code is about. So this video is going to show you how to add a coupon code to your product. So if anyone is about to buy your product and they insert that coupon code, they'll be getting a reduction in the amount of money they're going to be paying compared to the original price. All right, so let's get started. All you have to do first is to log into selar.co, log into your normal seller account, your seller's account, which is a creator profile account, as you guys can see. Then you want to head to these three dashes at the top right, and then you want to go to the area where you have coupons slash discounts. All right, so you want to click on this over here. All right, so as you guys can see, this is what's going to show. Let's close this. So as you guys can see, it looks empty, no records yet. We have blank pages over here. All right, so now what you want to do next is to click on create coupon at the top right over here. So create coupon. All right, so once you click on create coupon, you want to scroll down, and now we have all products. Do you want it to apply to all your products on your store, or do you want it to only apply to a particular product on the store? That's what this option is about. So if it's going to be a single product, you can go ahead to select single product. If it's going to be for bundle product, you want to go ahead to click on bundle product. And if it's going to be for product group, you can as well go for that. All right, as you guys can see, Seller has actually defined what each of these means. For product group, set coupons to apply when any product from a predefined group is selected. For bundle, same thing applies. For bundle, as you guys can see, when specific products are purchased together as a bundle. Okay, let's say you have a store and you have similar products. Yeah, this can apply. But then I'm going to go for the option of single product, or in fact all products. Anyways, on this account, it's just a single product, so I'm going to go for all products. Right now, this is where you want to insert the coupon code. All right, so what exactly is going to be the coupon code? So I'm going to say KidCares 100. All right, so this is going to be the coupon code. All right, so anyone who actually insert this when they're about to purchase my product, how much percentage are they gonna be be using, or how much percentage is going to be removed from the original price when they're about to purchase it? All right, so let's go for, let me say I'll go for 30%. all right, so currently this product is selling at 10,500. So if I say 30%, so they're going to be getting of 30% less than the 10,500. All right, so and then if you want to go for fixed amount, you can as well use this option. Okay, if you want it to be a fixed amount, and if you want it to be limited to quantity, let's say your product is a product that can be bought, one can be bought, two can be bought, 3, 4, and etc. So if you want the coupon code to be limited to a particular quantity of product, let's say you want it to be limited to 5 of that particular product, this is where you want to insert the option. But then I'm going to leave this 0, 0. I'm going to use the percentage. All right, now how long do you want the coupon code to last? This is where you can select it. All right, so if I click on this, I can say valid from today till further notice if I want. When I say further notice, I can just take this to let's even say 2026. I can just say to 5th September, which means it's more like a further notice, but not really further notice though. All right, so that's if you want it to last for a certain period. It can even be from February 15 to, let's say, March 15. These are things people add in the advertisement of their product. Oh, come and buy it right now, it's going to last, maybe Valentine sales, or Christmas bonus, all those type of things. All right, but then I'm not going to add a validity period because I want it to be unlimited. All right, till further notice. And now we have, if coupon is used on subscription membership product, apply the discount for subsequent recurring product. Okay, this is more like, let's say your product is a subscription type of product. If you want, all right, you can select this if you want it to be used for recurring payments. All right, it's your choice. Now we have coupons should give free shipping for only physical product. If it's actually a physical product and you want the coupon to come with free shipping, then you can go ahead to select this. And if not, if you don't want it to come with free shipping, it's your choice. You can unselect this. But once you're done, all you have to do next is to simply click on create coupon over here. All right, so as you guys can see, now I have my coupon for all products ready, 30%. So anyone that is about to buy my product, which is currently selling at 10,500, about 30% will be off from the amount, and then they can make the purchase only if they have this coupon code. So guys, that's basically how it works. It's very simple. Just come to Seller, go to the coupons area, create your coupons, and it's very, very easy. If you surely learned a whole lot in today's video, make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Feel free to drop a like as well, and also share this video with friends and family members. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching, guys.